guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Safi Sprocket, and today we are at the London Bike Show, and got a little bit of a scary day lined up, guys. So Triumph has invited me down to the bike show to come and basically drag race the rocket indoors on a very short distance. What could possibly go wrong? I don't know if you can hear that behind me, but basically they're doing all the testing now with various different bikes and riders. I've just done a little test. It was a little bit scary. I'm gonna have to like nip to one of the stores because I couldn't find my non-winter gloves. Oh my god, this is terrifying. Yeah.
The little two-stroke.
Oh my god, this is such a weird seating position. Ooh.
Visors down and watch the lights.
Okay. Now, just behind me, I don't know if you guys can see, if my camera's so good, but behind me is the Triumph store. So that's who I'm with today. I'm with Triumph, and they're going to be loaning me the rocket to take down the drag strip. And I'm really nervous. As you know, my cornering skills are not the best. So the part that's really making me nervous is that once you finally get down the bottom of the strip, there's like this really tight, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but basically there's a really tight turning circle. And I'm sure you guys are very much aware that is not one of my strengths. So if I'm gonna look silly on anything, it's definitely turning the bike round after. But I'm sure it's gonna be fine. And pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Someone's got to. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. It's all fine. Okay. Right. Oh, mate, this thing is heavy. I think so. How do I turn it on?
Just hold that button down.
Right, okay. Okay. This is huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's all fine. We're all good. We're all good. It's all fine. We're not having a breakdown. Oh my god, 30 seconds. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. in my throat. Okay, it's fine. It's just a bike. It's just a bike. It's just a track. There's not a lot of fuel in it. It's fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the U-turn at the end of it.
There's guys down there who can turn you around.
Okay, it's good. It's all fine.
You've ridden in so many straight lines, and if you can't turn around, there's literally two guys that'll help you. And some of the really top riders on mega race bikes and that have had the lads help them turn around.
Right, okay.
So they're not going to think, oh, it's a girl, she needs help turning around. Loads of people get help turning around.
Okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Everything is fine.
You're going to do really good. It's fine. It isn't a race. They throw up the numbers, but it's...
it's going to be good. Just a bike.
Yeah.
It's just a bike.
It looks great. Okay. You're not stressed about turning around. You just don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. There's
Okay.
two guys down there ready and waiting.
Okay. How are they so calm?
Have you ridden one before?
No, never. What CC is this?
The largest CC you can buy.
Because I've never ridden more than a 650. You're joking, right? Okay.
Oh, you wanted it in sport mode, didn't you?
No, I think maybe.
It's a 250.
2000 cc.
2,500.
Oh my dear. Okay.
Maybe a 3.5 as well. No. It's the biggest production engine.
Okay.
221 units at all.
This is 4 times the cc of my bike.
It's a beast. You do realise you're sat here, you've got World Superbikes behind you, and this is 2.5 times the capacity of Hickman.
In the nicest way possible. I don't want to be rude, but why am I sat on this? Who thought that would be a good idea? Isn't it a good idea? Because right now it feels like not such a good idea. Okay. Oh my god. Yep, yep, yep. Oh.
4.74 seconds.
Pardon?
7.
7?
4.7.
Okay. It's all good. That was fine. I wasn't even scared.
Did you find it?
It was fine. It wasn't fine. I was like, it was fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Thank you.
Keep an eye on the lights this time. Laughter.
Looks to be rigging, but it's not. It's a swinging triangle front rear. So for this year. Looks to be rigging, but it's not. It's a swinging triangle.
Okay guys, so we're currently coming up to 5 p.m. and I am absolutely exhausted. I'm ready for a nap. I'm ready for a nap. Turns out adrenaline is pretty exhausting. But what an absolutely incredible day. I just want to say a big major shout out to Triumph Motorcycles for not only bringing me down here to visit the London Bike Show, but also for allowing me to ride one of the craziest bikes ever made. 2,500cc. Basically a car and a bike. So what an absolutely incredible, the bragging rights on that. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much. I've had such a fantastic day. This is genuinely hands down the most fun I have ever had at a bike show, and I really appreciate it. And guys, London Bike Show, London Bike Show is where it's at. In the meantime, I hope you guys ride safe, stay crazy. My name's Natalie Sprocket, signing off.